Welcome. Today we are continuing with paper 2, question 6. Question 6a. Outline the Christian teachings on marriage. Marriage should be monogamous. Marriage is a covenant relationship between a husband and a wife and is protected by God. Marriage is for love, procreation, and mutual companionship. Marriage is still complete with or without children. Marriage is meant to be permanent. Marriage is based on true love. Virtues of tolerance, honesty and fidelity, forgiveness and understanding strengthen a marriage. Remarriage is possible for a Christian after the death of a marriage partner. A husband and wife must have self-sacrificing love for each other. Marriage is not a must for everyone. One can decide not to marry in order to serve God. Question 6b. How should Christians prepare for marriage? Pray to God for guidance in getting a partner. Identify the person to marry. Inform the parents about the person to marry. Propose to the one to marry. Inform the church leaders about their marriage plans. Attend counseling sessions of marriage. Visit the family of the spouse you intend to marry and discuss marriage arrangements. Make arrangements to give dowry. Arrange with the church on when the marriage can take place. That is, you fix a date, a wedding date. Identify the marriage witnesses. Ensure there is availability of finances. Question 6c. Give reasons why some Christians break their marriage vows due to unfaithfulness, lust, financial constraint, or you can just say poverty, lack of faith in God, lack of guidance and counseling, hypocrisy, effects of mass media, poor role models, denial of conjugal rights, and pressure from in-laws. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.